Dear students, this is your IT class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, Computer Virus. Before starting the chapter, I want you to know what is a virus. So, these days we are going through the pandemic like coronavirus. So, coronavirus is a biological virus which infects our body and make it unable to work efficiently. Okay, it damaged our body and it makes us unable to work efficiently. In the same way, we have computer virus. So according to your book, a virus is a germ that attacks your body and makes you suffer from an ailment. Similarly, a computer can also get infected with a computer virus. Virus is created by a programmer who can write computer program. So, who can create such kind of viruses? A programmer who can write computer programs. Now, as you can see in this picture, you can see a logo of virus is given here in this image, that a virus is attacking your system. So in which way does it damage our system? So computer viruses are small software programs that are designed to spread from one computer to another to interface with computer operation. So how our system get infected? So sometimes we use pen drive of another person which is already infected. So in such a way, whenever we use that pen drive in our system, so the virus that was contained in that pen drive comes to our system and it makes the working of our system damaged. It damaged our system and sometimes our system stop working. So like biological virus, computer viruses also damaged computer system, but biological virus is related to human body. It infects the human body, whereas computer viruses infect a computer system. So a virus might corrupt or delete data on your computer or even erase everything on your hard disk. So which kind of data cause which kind of damage, how it damages our system? So a virus might corrupt or delete data without permission. It enters your computer system and without permission it accesses your system and it corrupts your data or delete your data without your permission, or even erase everything on your hard disk. Okay, it may disrupt the normal functioning of your system. As I told you that if a system gets infected by virus, so it affects the functioning of your system and your system disrupt the normal functioning. It stops doing abnormal functions like it is hanging, not doing the task efficiently and smoothly. It can reveal information from your system to the person who sent the virus. Just like hackers, what does the hackers used to do? They steal your privacy. They steal your information which is inside your system, any kind of file, any kind of folder, any important information, any document. They can steal anything that is inside your system. A computer can be infected with virus. So when you get an email with a virus infected file and open to read it, sometimes we got some email. That email goes to spam box, that is in an email. So it contains an attachment and they asked us to reply urgently. So when we get an email of such kind, that is virus infected. It contains a file that is uh, contains an infected file which contains virus, and they ask us to open it and read it. So what should we do? We should avoid reading any kind of email from any unknown person. When you download a file from the internet that contains a virus and you run it, sometimes we used to download from unauthorized sites. Okay, so what happens within that file which we have downloaded, we get the virus through that file also which we have downloaded. By transmission through computer networks, two or more computers linked up together, we called it network. And by infected disks means when two or more computers are linked together, so during the transferring of files, our system may get infected. If you boot a computer, boot means start. If you start a computer with an infected disk, we call it boot virus. Okay, next one is presence of virus. So in this image you can see that like a human body, our system also get infected. It stop doing working efficiently. The following symptoms indicate that your computer may be infected. Means how you will know that your system is infected? It contains virus. So these are the symptoms, or we can say the symptoms indicating that our system is infected. So first one is a program takes longer than usual time to load. So if your system is taking a lot of time to start any program, or sometimes it hangs in between, so to prevent our system from our system from virus, what we have to do? We have to install a good quality of antivirus. A hard disk drive shows no space through there is enough space. When your hard disk contains a lot of space or enough space in real, but it shows that no space is there, you know that your hard disk has enough space so that you can insert files into it, you can keep the records into it, but still it is showing that there is no space. This is caused due to a kind of virus. Now new files keep appearing on the system, but you do not know where they come from. When you get any kind of unknown file that you do not know about it, you get surprised that I do not know about this file, where does it come from? So that also caused due to the virus. Next one is strange sounds or beeping noises come from the computer. When unnecessarily any strange sound or any beeping noise come from your system, that is also due to virus. Fifth point is strange graphics are displayed on your computer monitor. When you see different kind of imagements, means any kind of strange graphics that are unknown to you, and unnecessarily they are appearing again and again on your screen, even you have not opened them, so that also caused from virus. Sixth one is files have strange names you do not recognize. So having files with different names, even you do not know how it happened, that caused due to virus. So immediately you should turn on your antivirus to scan your system, so it will detect virus from your system and make your system virus free. Next one is 7, inability to access the hard drive or disk drives, that you are not able to access your hard drive or disk drives. Eighth one is computer often stops responding. Sometimes we start a program and it will not open. It was showing not responding, so that you cannot do any kind of work in that particular application. For example, if I open MS Word, okay, and it will not respond to me, or something written there not responding without any reason, so means your system is infected. Your applications has stopped working due to the presence of that virus that is damaging your system. Computer often stops responding. Okay, now ninth is installed memory becomes less without any reason. As I told you that in point 2, that hard disk drive shows no space though there is enough space. Just like this, installed memory becomes less without any reason. Okay, these are the similar points. The installed memory becomes less for no reason. If you have enough space, after that it will show that there is no space, so automatically something is consuming your space, the memory of computer. Next one is faults occur continuously while working on program. Faults are occurring continuously means on a regular base in your system, that every time you start working on any application and it shows error or faults. 11th is Windows will not start at all even though you have not made any system changes or you have not installed or removed any program, that your operating system also stopped working. Even you have not made any kind of change in your system, or you have not installed any program, not removed any program, means without doing any changes, even your Windows, means your operating system, stops working for no reason. So these are the symptoms which indicate that our system is not working properly and infected from a virus. So how to prevent our system from virus? What points should we know, and what precautions should we take? So preventing virus, the last topic of this chapter. As I told you, antivirus software. So the following measures may minimize the risk of virus infection. So what to do? First one is use original software from a trusted source, means from authorized and a trusted source. You must get original software in your personal computer which is safe to use, easy to use. Second is use a safe web browser and trusted email client. Whenever you receive any email, make sure that you get that email from a trusted person, and your web browser which you are using for searching anything, so that web browser must be safe and must be installed from trusted stores, online stores. Just like we used to install most of the applications from Play Store, and most of them are authorized. Never used unauthorized web browsers, because they may steal your data from your phone by entering into your system without your permission. Even you even do not know that at what time the virus may enter your system and damage it, or you may lose the safety or privacy. Next one is install antivirus software and keep it updated. So the best one is Quick Heal Antivirus. We have listened about it many times, that turning on antivirus, a schedule of scanning is made. Like you can scan your system on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. So it is good that you will do the scanning of your system whenever you use it, whether on daily basis or once in a week at least. Next one is scan new disks, programs and files before use. Okay, if you are using any new disk, any program or any file, or even you are using a new pen drive or someone other's pen drive, just like you have borrowed a pen drive from your friend and you are using that, so make sure it is virus free. So for this, first of all, scan that drive, and after that allow to open it. Okay, so chapter 6 is completed. This is very interesting chapter and you have to read that chapter. In next class we will do the question answers of remaining chapters. Thank you so much.